My name is Katya and welcome to Excel tutorial video. In this Excel tutorial, I will tell you how to navigate the Excel workbook with keyboard shortcuts. If you learn these keyboard shortcuts, you will be able to save a lot of your time while working on Excel program. You need to select a cell or make a cell active if you want to enter data in that cell. You can select any cell with mouse or keyboard. If you are working on Excel program, you can see a 3D plus sign on your screen. If you move your mouse, the 3D plus sign will also move on workbook. You can select a cell or make a cell active by bringing this sign to the cell and clicking left mouse button. Now you can enter data in that cell. If you are working on large Excel workbooks, then navigating through mouse may be time consuming. You need to learn keyboard shortcuts to navigate the Excel workbook effectively. If you press any arrow key on your keyboard, the cursor will move in that direction. If you press the right arrow key on your keyboard, the cursor will move one cell right. Now you can click this cell and enter data in this cell. Pressing down arrow key will move the cursor one cell down. Similarly, pressing left arrow key and up arrow key will move the cursor in those directions respectively. If you press enter key, the cursor will move to the next cell in the same column. If you press tab key, the cursor will move to the next cell in the same row. Pressing Shift plus enter will move the cursor one cell up. If you press Shift plus tab, the cursor will move one cell left. If you press Ctrl plus Home key, the cursor will move to the first cell of the workbook. If you press Home key, the cursor will move to the first cell of the row. If you press Page down key on your keyboard, the cursor will move to a cell one screen down. Now, if you press Page up key on your keyboard, the cursor will move to a cell one screen up. Pressing Alt plus Page down keys on your keyboard will move the cursor to a cell one screen right. If you press Alt plus Page up key, the cursor will move to a cell one screen left. If you press Ctrl plus End keys on your keyboard, the cursor will move to the last cell of the workbook that contains data. I hope you have enjoyed Excel tutorial video. Subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this one.